Happy day students. Welcome to class 9 physics chapter 10 gravitation part 3. Now we will discuss about mass. We have learned in the previous chapter that the mass of an object is the measure of its inertia. We have also learned that greater the mass, the greater is the inertia. It remains the same whether the object is on the earth, the moon, or even in outer space. Thus, the mass of an object is constant and does not change from place to place. The mass of the body is the quantity of matter contained in it. Mass of the body is measure of inertia of the body and hence called inertial mass. Mass is a scalar quantity. SI unit of mass is kilogram or kg. CG's unit of mass is gram or g. Mass of a body is constant and does not change from place to place. Mass is measured by a beam or common balance. Mass of a body cannot be zero. Now we will compare mass and weight. We know that the earth attracts every object with a certain force, and this force depends on the mass of the object and acceleration due to gravity. The weight of the object is the force with which it is attracted towards the earth. You can see this activity as spring balance, which is hanging a weight which carries the 60 gram and which is multiple with acceleration due to gravity, that is 60 into 980. We will get 58800 dynes. It means the weight of the particular object is nothing but 0.588 newton. So it means the weight of a body on the earth is the force with which it is attracted towards the center of the earth. It means weight is equal to mass into acceleration. It means W is equal to m into g. The SI unit of weight is Newton or capital N. Weight of 1 kilogram mass is 9.8 Newton. Weight is a vector quantity since it has both magnitude and direction. Weight changes from place to place. Weight is measured by spring balance. Weight of the body can be zero. When a body is taken to the center of the earth, acceleration due to gravity at the center is zero, hence weight is zero. On the moon, acceleration due to gravity is nearly 1/6 of that on the earth, and hence the weight of a body on the moon is 1/6 of its weight on the earth. Example 10.4. Mass of an object is 10 kg. What is its weight on the earth? You know, mass is equal to 10 kg and acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. That means weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. If you are substituting value, you will get 98 Newton. Thus, the weight of an object. Example 10.5. An object weighs 10 Newton when measured on the surface of the earth. What would be its weight when measured on the surface of the moon? We know weight of the object on the moon is equal to 1/6 its weight on the earth. It means Wm is nothing but its weight of the moon, which is equal to We, weight of the earth upon 6, which is equal to 10/6 Newton. We will get 1.67 Newton on the weight on the moon. Thus the weight of the object on the surface of the moon would be 1.67 Newton. Thank you, children.